Hello guys, how to fix if Telegram video not playing on your iPhone? And if you are facing such type of issue, then the first workaround is restart your iPhone. Simply power off your iPhone and restart it. This is the first workaround. Try to playing Telegram video. The next one is go to of your iPhone. Here tap on your profile icon from the top right corner, and here check whether any update is available for your Telegram app or not. If you found any Telegram under update all, you may choose update all to update all of your apps on your iPhone. Update Telegram app. The next workaround to fix this issue is again tap on settings, scroll down and tap on Telegram app, and here make sure that cellular data is duly enabled and also contact should be enabled on your iPhone. That's all.